Malay College students.
Good morning and mabuhay. My name is Jayan Fernando and we are from Malay College. And we are asking about you like a few questions about hospitality and tourism here in Boracay. We're actually capturing a real story about like your opinion.
Okay.
And for like guests, locals, and workers. These are the few questions.
Okay. What's your most beautiful moment in Boracay? I've only been here since this morning. But just seeing all of this, coming down, because we're staying at the hotel just down the road, but then came out here and I just thought, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. And I've been in the water and doing all kinds of things. So yeah, it is actually. And people have been so friendly, like yourself and other people as well. And because I don't know the language, so I can't find the book. It's really helpful. So yeah, but I've loved every moment of it. So does that help?
So we have here the 5 questions. So
What's the most beautiful moment in Boracay? Maybe today when I wake up, I arrived yesterday in the same boat I'm here. So when I wake up and I see the lake, the sky, and I break, like yesterday, it was really amazing. That's the best moment. So even the stuff at yeah, I think like people in Philippines, they are really kind. They're really looking for travelers. So yeah, all the time I do. What flavors do you like? I like spicy, so yeah. I'm really into the seafood. Yeah, I really like it. I'm addicted to seafood now. So yeah, I would say spicy. In Boracay, what a brand. How would you say that? Looking for paradise.
wow, how do you
You were a partner, what did you say? Probably chicken adobo. Yeah, like some kind of fried for chicken adobo or...
The Filipino dish?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I love it. So,
Thank you so much.
thank you guys.
Also, sir, can I ask your name, please?
Claudio.
Claudio. Nice to meet you.
I like your opinion here in Boracay.
Yeah.
For school purposes only, and we're like taking a video. Is it okay for you guys?
For what purpose?
For school purposes.
School, yeah, of course,
okay,
I love it.
Laundry gets separated from you.
Yeah.
For the white and dark clothes. So this is magic. One thing, this is after the rainy evening yesterday, I thought, oh, hopefully it's getting better. So yeah, today in the morning. Did any stuff or service umami, everything around. Hit in the face. In Boracay, my brand, what the slogan here. I mean, look at the view. There's everything I mean Boracay stands for. Beautiful beaches and the water, the activity. Definitely some free times. Your hotel, what are the services? I tell you pizza. Napolitani pizza. I like it the most. Have you ever eaten one?
Yes.
Original Italian pizza. Okay, you need to try it. So this would be my signature service. Everyone gets pizza. Germany. I read right yesterday. I try, yeah.
And I think that's all.
So, first question is, what do you love most about Boracay? I love Boracay is my source of money is nandito. Yung kawalan ng buhay. Yung mga dilinig dito is dito ako Boracay. So, next question is, how has tourism kausap. Yung parang naglilipad ka lang din sa buong mundo. Sa araw-araw.
What's one thing tourists should understand better?
Isang bagay naman yan, yung the way English, when talking to them English first, and then the value of cost of money.
Last question. Do you feel the beach is well managed and clean?
Not literally, but sometimes we see the and pag dito sa harap na mas okay, pero yun yung mga
So, good afternoon. My name is Desiree Garcia, and thank you.
For locals, what do you love most about Boracay? The locals also same with the international. I like most is the white beach. Why? Because that's also considered as a medicine. Yeah. Then I'm proceeding to number 2. How has tourism changed your daily life? Tourism changed my daily life because tourism give me good job. Like our government mayor established the tour guiding tour guides. That's illegal in the island. For local and international, the international is cruise ship. Okay, and the local also, they are welcome to come here. Okay, so tourism, I consider that giving life to me every day. Okay, then what's one thing tourists should understand better? I think the tourists understood better is accepting our surrounding, our friendly people in the island, and very good white beach. Why they come here also, and they enjoy the place. Okay. Then last one, do you feel the beach is well managed and clean? Of course, 100%. Because if our government did not manage well, then maybe nobody comes in tourists anymore. So that's it. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Kahit Tagalog lang, sir.
white beach, ay pure crystal water. Tapos tourism to ensure daily life. Malaking tulong yung mga turista na pumunta dito. Siyempre sila pa yung nagbibigay buhay sa amin. Sila din yung nagpupula ng mga pangangailangan namin everyday. What's one thing tourists should understand better? Siyempre, para naman sa mga turista, kailangan mahalin din nila yung Boracay, hindi lang yung babakasyon mo sila. Siyempre, dapat alam din nila kung saan sila yung lugar, kaya paano sila makapag-action sa mga local delicacies para din sa kanila, para enjoy din sila pag nag-travel sa mga culture. You feel the beach is well managed. Siyempre, hindi naman maganda yung Boracay na ayos na natin, yung mga siyempre maganda yung Boracay, kaya maayos na. So yun, malinis siya, saka minamis naman siya ng natin. Maganda yung pinalabasan. Malinis yung beach, maganda yung water, yung dagat natin. Ganda.
Pwede namin malaman yung name mo, sir.
Ang Frederick.
Good afternoon po. We are from Malay College and we are conducting an interview for our educational purposes only lang po. So, ito po yung question nyo. What's the most rewarding part of your job?
So practically, ma'am, it's the salary
Isa lang. Tama yun.
and of course,
Isa lang ano.
personal and career development.
Thank you po.
So good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Anthony. So I have a question to you, ma'am. How do you handle guest complaints or requests?
Pag guest complaints po, kailangan lang natin silang pakinggan with a smile. Kailangan nakasmile tayo, hindi tayo nakasimangot. Then, kung ano yung nireklamo nila, kailangan natin sagutin. And then, of course, para hindi na sila lalong magalit, we have to say sorry or next time, mas i-improve po natin yung service natin. That's all.
Thank you.
Good afternoon, ma'am. My question is, what challenge do you face during peak season?
Of course, more customers. We have to time pressure, so time management, and also the customer complaints. We have to be ready.
Thank you, ma'am.
So, good morning, ma'am. We are from Malay College and we are conducting an interview for our school purposes only. So, this is your first question po. What is the most rewarding part of your job, ma'am?
The most rewarding part of my job is, I think the operation beside from arrival to post departure. That's it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Jenny Barak. This is a question. What will improve cooperation in your workplace?
What?
What will improve cooperation in your workplace?
I think the camaraderie and the teamwork.
Good morning po, ma'am. So, good morning, ma'am. So, my name is Anthony Kailig. So, I have a question to you, ma'am.
Yes.
So, my question is, how do you handle guest complaint or request of a guest? Like, example, they mad and angry at the same time. So, what solution you will do in that situation?
I think mostly kasi wala namang guest complaint here po because dadaan lang po yung guest dito sa akin, arrival and departure. So, yung ano lang po, yung complaint lang nila mostly is yung pag-wait nila here in Welcome Center. Thank you.
Second question is, what challenges do you face during peak season?
The most challenging part of my job here in the field, because my position is boat representative / airport representative. I think there's a lot of arrival and departure. That's why it's so hassle to assisting arrival and departure if magsabay. That's it.